Hi everyone, this is Shitasapan Matre, and today we are going to see how your coming week is going to be. So for today's pick a card reading, we have three options. Option number one is this amazing elephant. Option number two is this cute unicorn. And option number three is this dragon. So you can pick up any pile that you're attracted to. In case if you're confused as to which option to choose, do not worry. You can simply take three pieces of paper and write 1, 2 and 3 on each paper separately. Say, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how my coming week is going to be. And then just pick up one piece of paper, whatever option comes, whatever number comes on that piece of paper is going to be your choice. So if you get number 1, then this is going to be your pile which you need to check. Alright guys, so let's get started. Hello pile 1. So all those of you have chosen this beautiful elephant. First and foremost, I feel that there is a strong presence of Lord Ganesha with you. Also, I feel that you have been praying to get some kind of luxury, all right, in your life. It could be a big car, it could be a better home. So something which is of luxury you have been praying for, and Lord Ganesha is saying that he is listening to your prayers. So this, I'll keep your pile number over here so that it becomes easy for us. So let's see the cards. So in today's pick a card reading, I have already removed the charms and alphabets and numbers and kept it ready in 3 different boxes. So let's now start with your tarot cards. I'm going to use only tarot cards today, guys. So let's see first how your week is going to be. All right. Okay, so the beginning of the week is going to be very adventurous. There is going to be some sort of adventure coming your way, a new beginning. Some message is going to come to you which will be the beginning of something which is absolutely new, all right, and something which is very exciting. That's going to come your way in the beginning of the week. And I also feel that some of you are going to take up some sort of physical activity in order to be more fit in the week ahead. Let's see your next card. 10 of Pentacles. So yes, there is going to be a family event, maybe a small family event that you will be participating in. Also, issues related to security of family will be of importance. So some of you could be investing for your family, maybe in some sort of policy, or maybe you're going to have some bank transactions which would be related to family. Some of you may even get some sort of financial gifts from a family member, is what I'm getting from this card. Let's see your next card. 9 of Pentacles. Okay, interesting. So I am seeing some sort of inheritance for some people, not everyone. So wow, this looks so awesome. So first let me complete your last card and then I'll tell you the story that your cards are telling me. So the weekend is going to be full of fun and you're going to spend good money on yourself because you have really worked hard for this money. All right. I also feel that some of you are going to do some rituals related to money is what I'm hearing. But yes, there is going to be a celebration, all right, regarding finances. You got 2 pentacle cards for the week ahead. So definitely finances are going to be a focus. There is some sort of news coming your way regarding money. Regarding finances is what I'm getting. And that's going to make you feel so excited. So it's a very clear card, it shows that yes, in the beginning of the week there is going to be an exciting news which is going to make you jump with joy. Then you're going to share this news with your family, and also this news is going to make you feel like you're on the top of your game, is what I'm hearing. Okay, lovely. Let's keep your cards over here. Now let's see what your other cards are telling us. We'll first see what blessings are coming your way, what changes are coming your way. So let's see, blessing coming your way, changes coming your way, what you need to surrender, message regarding love life, okay, message regarding health, and the last message regarding, okay, I feel like shuffling again, message regarding finances. All right, so first see message regarding finances. Ace of Wands. So there is going to be a new beginnings with regards to finances. You are going to get ideas, lot of ideas, guys, regarding money matters. So write down these ideas and try to work towards it. Even if it is initial stages, it is all right. Work towards these ideas, as these ideas are going to lead to something really, really big. I also feel that as I said, there are going to be some sort of fire rituals that you will be doing regarding your finances, and those fire rituals are going to really help you to attract the money that you feel like. Of course, you have to take action as well, there is no doubt about it, but new beginnings with regards to finances is what I can clearly see with this card. Let's see what blessings are coming your way. Death and rebirth. So this is more like a blessing in disguise. So something is going to end, which is going to lead to something really amazing. So I feel that there is going to be a transformation, and that transformation is going to bring in a lot of abundance in your life. All right, even if initially the transformation may not be that amazing, it would be a little bit uncomfortable, but in the long run it's going to help you. Now let's see what changes are going to come in your life. King of Wands. So the changes that are going to come in your life is that you are going to take back your power. All right, you are going to become the king of your own life by taking action towards your goals, by taking action towards your dreams. Also, there is going to be a man who is extremely action oriented, enthusiastic. He is going to help you out. Lovely. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. Seven of Pentacles. So you need to surrender to being patient, because what may happen is that you may feel a little bit impatient, you may feel a little bit impulsive. So don't act on, don't be impulsive. Just don't act on a whim. All right, whatever is happening, okay, get more information, seek expert help, and then take action. If you need to wait, do not rush into any sort of decisions which are very not planned. All right, let's see regarding your love life. Three of Swords. Okay, now before you go, oh my god, this is so bad card to get and all that. See over here, if you see the heart is getting back stitched. So I feel that in terms of love life, there could be some sort of disappointment for singles and the ones who are in a relationship. Of course, there would be some news that may not be that great. All right, however, I feel very clearly that this is going to be a blessing. I also feel that love does not only mean romantic love. I feel that somebody who is toxic in nature may decide to either exit your life on their own, and this would be a little bit painful, or it may so happen that you will remove some toxic people out of your life, and that would be a little bit painful. All right, now let's see regarding health. So Six of Swords, so definitely there looks like an improvement in your health. You are going to move towards better health conditions. Of course, you need to follow the doctor's advice and medicines. However, I do see an improvement in your health. Also, a little bit of, I feel that some of you are going to travel in the week ahead, which will kind of help you to de-stress and get out of the drama that seems to be happening in relationship. I feel that there is a lot of drama happening in relationship which has kind of drained you last week, and that's going to lead to some changes in the future, all right, which are positive, so don't worry. So this were your cards. Now let's see what your financially the week looks good. All right, now let's see what your other divination tools are going to tell us. Let me keep your cards over here. So for you guys, I have chosen the color red because you got elephant. All right, so let's see. I already removed the charms and everything so that it saves time. All right, so let's see first. You got waiting. Oh my god, this is so interesting. You did get the Seven of Pentacles. All right, and see, you got the, this card is talking about waiting. So yes, you need to wait. All right, let's see the other words. You got smile. So definitely there are a lot of happy moments happening in your life, which is kind of going to make you smile. Then you have verb, so a lot of action you need to take. Interestingly, you had got like a wand card right in the beginning of the week, and wand represents action, and verb is also some, when you take an action, that's is called verb. So a lot of action happening this week. You got apple, so I would connect this with health, so health becoming better. You got buzz, so yes, you're going to move towards something better. You got crazy, so yes, the week is going to be very action packed. You got country, so maybe some of you are traveling, or some of you are doing some work related to visa or something like that. You have got need, so all your desires are going to get fulfilled. Do not worry. We finish with the words. Let's see the angel number. You got the number 18, which means all your material needs are going to be met. Abundance is going to come your way in the week ahead, and this abundance you have manifested. So keep your thoughts and vibrations positive. You got the charm of rainbows, a lot of colors coming in your life in the week ahead. You have got the lamb, so ideas flowing. You'll be shown direction by the King of Wands. All right, you got a rose, so again emotions would be of importance. You may give somebody roses, or you may receive roses. You got a lady, so a lady may help you, or there is a makeover that will happen in the week. Maybe you'll pay attention to your own beauty. You got the family. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. You also got the 10 of Pentacles. All right, and this is a family charm, so there could be an addition in your family or extended family. Also, family will be of importance in the week ahead. Okay, oh, where was that charm? The charm that I picked up, oops, I kind of I think I don't remember what was the charm, so let me just roll it over. Okay, so there would be some sudden there would be some unexpected changes happening in the week ahead. You got the gun, which means you are protected and safe, nothing to worry. You have got the lock as well, so which is open. Okay, this lock is open, so opportunities are going to open for you. You got the binoculars, however you have to look for those opportunities. All right, you also have the stick charm, which means support is available in the week ahead. You also have got the trumpet. I feel that Archangel Gabriel is going to give you some news in the week ahead. You got the butterfly, which talks about transformation, the same which also was shown by the death card. Wow, that's interesting. Now let's see the alphabets you have got. We'll also cover this flower. So you got two flowers, so definitely maybe you'll buy something floral for yourself. Let's see what words you have, alphabets you have got. This could be your first name, middle name, last name, initials, or it could be somebody else's who's of importance, their initials. Okay. Or maybe some word needs your attention. So these are the words. All right, you have got OITARUG, drug, which means a blanket, a comfortable one. You got her, and you also got the female charm. So maybe a female is going to help you in some way. So guys, this is your other divination tools that are giving us an insight on your beautiful week ahead. Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. All right, so think about a question and let me spin the wheel for you. The answer is soon. So whatever you asked for, the answer is soon, guys. So yes, this was a quick reading for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello, group number 2. So you have chosen this beautiful unicorn. Let's see what your message regarding the coming week is going to be from the tarot cards. So I will be using only tarot cards today. So first, let's see how your week is going to be. All right. That's your first card. Chariot. So definitely you are going to move ahead during the week. There is going to be a forward movement. Yes, things are going to go a little bit faster than expected is what I'm hearing. And this entire movement, is going to be very positive for you. I also feel that in the coming week, some of you are going to buy vehicle, or some of you are going to service your vehicle, or transportation is going to be of importance. Your vehicle is going to be of utmost importance in the week ahead. I also feel that some of you are going to watch a movie which is a little bit based on history, or it could be a very old kind of movie is what I am hearing. Let's see your next card. 6 of Cups. Wow. So a lot of nostalgia happening in the week ahead. You are going to spend time seeing pictures, old pictures. You're also going to spend some time with friends. You are going to help people who are needy or who need your help in some way or the other. Also, I feel that some of you are going to adopt a pet, or maybe you're going to buy a pet. I think adoption is always a great idea when it comes to pet. Also, you're going to miss if you already have a pet which has deceased. So maybe you're going to spend time remembering those amazing moments that you had with that amazing pet. However, a lot of giving and receiving of kindness happening in the week ahead. I'm also hearing that you may unknowingly meet or catch up an old friend, or maybe there is going to be some friend of yours with whom you had lost touch messaging you in the week ahead. Let's see your next card. 10 of Wands. So the weekend looks very busy. You are going to be quite busy during the weekend. Maybe you will be stressed. There will be a lot of burden that you may have to carry, and it could be a little bit of you will be a little bit overworked in the weekend. All right, so interestingly, your week looks quite interesting, especially the weekday. Yes, the weekends look a little bit busy. Now let's see what your other cards are telling us. Let's see what your tarot cards are telling us about the other things in your life. So first, let's see the blessing coming your way, the changes coming in your life in the week ahead, what you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead, message regarding your love life. Okay, let me shift this a bit. Message regarding your health, and message regarding your finances. All right. So first, let's see your finances. Ace of Cups. Oh wow. Group 1 got Ace of Wands, you got Ace of Cups. So definitely there is going to be emotional new beginnings happening in your finances. You are going to get some gift, okay, financial gift as I'm hearing. Also, you're going to be very grateful for all the money that you have in your life. You're going to be very grateful regarding your finances. I'm also getting that your kindness will be returned by the universe in some sort of financial blessing is what I am getting. Now let's see what blessings are coming your way. Knight of Wands, so movement. The blessing coming your way is travel, movement. I know the pandemic is on, but maybe you will make some traveling plans, or you may even travel in the week ahead. But movement is what I'm seeing with this card. Now let's see, or yes, there could be somebody who is very attractive, all right, who may help you. Okay, now let's see what changes are going to come in your life. Ace of Wands. So changes happening in your life is really lot of action happening in the week ahead. That is why maybe your weekend looks so busy. So you are going to get so many ideas. Creativity is going to be all-time high. You are going to be super creative. There are so many ideas that will pop up when you're least expecting it. So ensure that you have something in handy to note down those ideas. I also feel that there are going to be new projects. Okay, new projects. You may do something new in the week ahead. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week. King of Swords. So there is somebody who is very practical and intelligent. This person is going to give you a very solid advice. So listen to this person. Also, in the coming week, you need to surrender to practicality and your intellect. So take decisions that are more practical. All right. Let's see message regarding your love life. You have got the Nine of Wands. So some of you may feel insecure, or you may feel that what if the past or history repeats itself. So you may be a little bit walking in a tightrope kind of a situation with regards to relationships and love. However, don't let your past affect your present or future. All right. So yes, I do see some sort of past wounds resurfacing kind of. All right, now let's see message regarding your health. Three of Cups. So some celebration regarding health is going to happen, or you may do some group activity wherein you may go for a walk with some friends of yours, or you may join some Zumba classes or some activity which involves a group of people, or you may join a support group. All right, or maybe a support group for health, which is going to really help you. So a lot of support I see coming your way with regards to your health, especially from friends. All right, so this is how amazing your week looks, guys. Now let's see what your other divination tools are going to tell us. Let me pick up your cards. Alright, so for you, I am choosing this box. I've already removed all the divination tools so that it saves time. Don't worry, I've shuffled and I picked it up. So let's see the words that you've got. You have got toast, okay, so something to celebrate about. You've got extremely, alright, so something which is of extreme importance is going to happen. You got friends, and see, you did get the for your health, you had got the friends card. Where is it? Okay, you got the friends card, and for your health also you had got the friends card. Here it is. I just love this card from the deck. It is so positive. All right, so yes, your friends are going to be of importance. You may even have a get together with friends which is going to uplift you. Let's see, grass. All right, so maybe you're going to buy some plants, or you're going to have some more, you're going to surround yourself with greenery. You got the charm of purse. So not surprisingly, in your finances, you did get the Ace of Wands card. So sorry, the Ace of Cups card you got in your finances. So definitely either you may buy a purse, or you may get you may have forgotten some money which you have kept in a purse, and you may just get it and you will be so happy getting that money. You got the shoe charm, which means some of you are going to do some good shopping of shoes and purse, or you may receive them as a gift. You have got the beautiful flamingos. All right, so there is going to be, it gives a Two of Cups energy, so commitment, love in the week ahead. You have got fan, so maybe you may feel too hot or something, because in India summer is starting, and other places maybe you may meet a fan of yours, or somebody who's fan of your work may give you a lot of compliments or good reviews. Maybe you got sunflower, so a lot of brightness happening in your life. You may buy something which is yellow in color, is what I'm hearing. All right, you have got the bomb. So maybe you will look like a bomb and click some amazing pictures and post on your Facebook and other social media handles. You have got the Wheel of Fortune, interestingly, and you have got the time. So time management is going to be of importance. Let me pick this charm. Okay. Time management is going to be of importance. Some of you may even buy a watch or receive a watch as a gift. Also, the Wheel of Fortune is telling me that some of you may visit a fortune teller, or you may just watch a lot of pick a card readings. But fortune will be on your side. There will be a movement, and interestingly, the first card that you got was Chariot, which talks about travel and movement, and you did get the Wheel of Fortune too. Interesting. You got the Santa Claus charm, so some unexpected gifts coming your way which you're not expecting. Now let's see what angel number you have got. You got the number 25, which means have faith. Positive changes are going to come in your life. Let's see the alphabets that you have got. This could be your first name, middle name, last name, initials, or somebody's first name, middle name, last name, or it could be just that there is some word which needs your attention and it is popping up through this alphabets. All right, this is the bow of this shoe. All right, so I got BSILHTDV. So this is of importance. All right, one word that I can make is bit. So things will happen in bits and pieces, but it will happen. So this is what your divination tools are telling about the week ahead, and this is what your cards told, guys. So now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question for the week ahead, and I will spin the wheel for you. you got better. So whatever you asked for, you will get something better than that. All right. So group 2, I hope you enjoyed your weekly prediction. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Take care. Bye bye. Hello group 3. So all those of you who have chosen this fierce dragon, yes, there is going to be abundance coming your way, is what I'm feeling with this dragon energy. Abundance, protection as well. So now let's see what your tarot cards are telling us about your week ahead. All right. So let's see your first card. The Star. Wow, this is so beautiful. So definitely in the week ahead, there is going to be a lot of recognition coming your way. You are kind of, going to shine really bright during the week, and you will feel so amazing. Some of you may even study or you may visit, an astrologer and would want to know what your stars are saying. I also feel that some of you are going to go stargazing as well. I'm also getting that I feel that there is a lot of blessings coming your way from a loved one whom you consider as a star, in the sky. But yes, a lot of recognition coming your way, appreciation coming your way. You are going to shine. Some of you may even, if you're on social media, you will see a gain in subscribers, also a lot of views. But yes, lot of fame coming your way in the week ahead. Let's see the next card. Page of Pentacles. So education, learning is going to be of importance in the week ahead. You are going to spend some time reading books, or maybe you'll attend some workshop or courses. If you are a student, you're going to spend time upgrading your knowledge and studying about various subjects. All right, and a young person is going to be of importance. Also, you are going to be really grateful for the money and the other things that you have in your life. Let's see your next card. Seven of Pentacles. So yes, during the weekend you would be required to wait, which may make you feel a little bit, I am hearing frustrated, though this card doesn't depict that. I feel that you may get a little bit frustrated initially. However, later on you'll be like, doesn't matter. I am ready to wait. This wait is good for me. Do not rush into any action during the weekend without getting proper information. I also feel that some of you are trying to buy or sell a home or a land, and the cards are saying that yes, it will happen. Be patient. Don't give up. Also, some of you are going to spend some time gardening or buying indoor plants during the weekend, or you may just see videos related to gardening and planting of or some of you are also exploring organic farming, is what I'm hearing. That's what I'm hearing. Let's see. Now let's see what your other cards are telling us about the week ahead. We'll first see what blessings are coming your way. We'll then see what changes are coming your way. What you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. Let's see message regarding your love life. Let's see message regarding your health. And then let's see message regarding your finances. All right, we'll first start with finances. Two of Cups. Wow. So it may so happen that you will receive some money from a loved one. I also feel that you will be more committed to earn money. There will be some sort of investment that you and your partner will do together with regards to money. I'm also getting money from a loved one. Okay, there is, yes, and I also feel that uh, your commitment in the past is going to get rewarded. Wow, the finances look so beautiful. There will be two sources, two that are going to give you money in the week ahead, guys. Let's see the blessings coming your way. Queen of Swords. So yes, communication is going to be of importance, and you are going to communicate in a very clear and crisp manner. You are not going to be extra sweet or diplomatic in the week ahead. You are going to stand up for yourself, and you're going to clearly communicate. Also, there will be a woman who is going to stand up for you, who is going to take your side and fight for you in the week ahead. Let's see what changes are coming your way. The changes that are coming your way is from feeling insecure and cautious. You're going to be more open, all right? You'll be like, let me be more open to situation and people. Let me stop having this fence around me. All right, now let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week. Page of Wands. So you need to surrender to adventure. You need to get out of your comfort zone and see what is out of it. You need to break free, guys. The coming week, you need to surrender to changes, and you need to surrender to adventure. Let's see message regarding a love life. Judgment. Okay, so a lot of self-love happening in the week ahead. You are going to feel connected with the divine. I know it's a love reading, guys, but we love God, right? Love is just not romantic love. You are going to feel so much of connection with the divine in the week ahead. There's a high probability of some of you meeting a person and you feeling that I have known him or her before, even if you're meeting the person for the first time. I also feel that there would be somebody from past, there would be a past life connection happening in the week ahead. And with regards to people who are married, I feel that you will have to communicate more clearly with your partner, and there is definitely going to be that moment wherein you will be feeling as if the spark which was there in your good times returning is what I'm hearing. Let's see message regarding your health. Knight of Swords. So definitely you are going to be so moving ahead. Okay, so moving ahead. You're going to do exercise. You're going to be all charged up about your health, but don't overdo it. Okay, don't overdo it. Stay calm and do exercise or whatever physical activity you do. Ensure that you're not overdoing it and not overstressing your muscles. All right, let your muscles get used to the new form of exercise or movement. A lot of movement happening with regards to exercise and body movement or health matters are going to go ahead. Also, there will be somebody young who is going to guide you with regards to your health, guys. So now let's see what your other divination tools are telling us regarding your health. You got two pentacle cards, so money and finances are going to be of importance. All right, so I have picked this particular box for you. I've already removed all the other divination tools in this box, so let's see what's ahead. You got the word favorite, so maybe a favorite person you're going to meet, or maybe something which you really like. You're going to maybe eat your favorite food or beverage. You are going to be strong. The Queen of Swords which you got over here. Okay, strong right over here. All right, you've got snacks, so your favorite snack. Some of you are going to have your favorite snack. Quilt. Wow, some of you may get quilt as a gift, or you may buy a quilt. A lot of warmth coming your way in the week ahead. Let's see your charms. You got the typewriter, so documentation, paperwork is going to be of importance in the week ahead. Some of you are going to finally finish that incomplete book, which I most of the times keep talking about in my readings. You got the umbrella charm, which means you are protected. You have got the tree charm, which means a lot of growth happening in the week ahead. You have got Goddess Lakshmi feet, so a lot of prosperity and also something to do with Goddess Lakshmi. You may do her prayers or chanting. However, prosperity is coming your way for sure. Let's see your next charm. You got this charm wherein this ball is coming and this person has moved towards the other end. However, this person can move back and catch the ball, so don't miss opportunities in the week ahead. You also have got mustache, which means hair matters related to hair will be of importance. Let's see the angel number that you have got. You got the number 88. Oh my god. This is so amazing. Goddess Lakshmi feet, the golden dragon. Alright, the page of pentacles, star, and the 7 of pentacles. Okay. Lot of abundance coming your way during the week ahead. No wonder you got the Goddess Lakshmi feet. So she is with you, blessing you guys. Let's see the alphabets that you have got. One fell down. Okay. X, E. This could be your first name, middle name, last name, or somebody else's first name, middle name, last name, initials. Or there could be some word that requires your attention. Alright, you got the word rune right over here. So let me read out the words for you. You got RUNEN, a blank alphabet, AXS. Also the word sun is coming over here very clearly. So a lot of brightness happening in your life ahead. Wow, that's so amazing, group 3. Protection, and the dragon, the golden dragon, talks about protection and abundance, and in the charms and the angel numbers you did get protection, and the angel number and the charm clearly spoke about abundance. This is so beautiful. Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question, guys, and let me spin the wheel for you. You have got miracle. So whatever you asked for, you're going to experience a miracle in that particular situation, event, or whatever question you asked about. So this was your week ahead, guys. I hope you enjoyed this week's pick a card reading. Do let me know in the comment section. Take care. Bye-bye.